Hey, what's up, guys? It's me here, Brandon. Yeah, and today I'm going to talk about the charger that comes with the iPod. Alright, the charger that comes with the iPod is USB only. That's the one thing I do not like about it. It is USB only, as you can see. Only USB. And I do not have a laptop, so I can only charge this in my computer room, which is where the USB port is. Now, and sometimes I like to take my iPod around the house and play on it, but when it dies, then I have to go in the computer room and play on it, which I do not like. So, what I did was my Samsung Intensity 2 charger. The Samsung Intensity 2 charger is a two-part charger. It has the wall plug along with a USB connector that connects to their USB, and the other end would connect to the phone. So what I did was I just popped that out. Here, there we go. So what I did, I just popped it out and just plugged this in here. Let me try to do this. Hold on. There. And it fits in. And I'll plug it into my iPod. Alright. Alright. Then, just plug it into a wall outlet, or what I have is an extension cord. So let me plug this in real quick. Bam. And my iPod is now charging without having to use a computer USB. So now I can go into any room with an outlet and just plug it in. So yeah, thanks for watching. Or well, also, instead of going out and paying like $45 for an iPod charger that plugs into a wall, just do this. Buy that type of a charger that would usually be for the Samsung Intensity 2, and go and buy one of those for like $20-25, save $10. Plus, it saves you from having to go to the Apple Store. You can just run right to a Verizon store, even though the Apple Store is pretty nice. Yeah. Oh yeah, thanks for watching, and later.